This is the new CXV Colmac heat pump water heater. It can heat water up to 140 degrees at 10 degrees incoming air temperatures. It's also a new smaller footprint vertical design. It also is a lot more serviceable. As you can see, once you take the top off the unit, you just undo 2 clips and the whole front swings out, allowing for easy access to all the refrigeration components.
What else, Brian?
A standard prop fan for energy efficiency, low energy usage. We have microchannel evaporators, which allow us to get the machines into a smaller footprint and perform better.
Awesome product from Colmac Water Heat.
Yo!